Kali Nethunter, a lot of users definitely look for installation of these things on their devices. I made a video approximately 1.5 years ago on Kali Nethunter, that how you can install Kali Nethunter on your device. The guide is still the same, and so that I will not be able to show you that how you can install this thing, etc. I'll provide you the source link where I made a video so that you'll be able to get the things, the tutorial that how you can install these things with all those links, etc. But I just want to let you know that these things work in 2022, and also these things will even work with Android 12.1. Only this thing which I just want to let you know, as you can see, all these things are already there. Kali Root Manager, and here you need to install root and choose that file which I already shared with you, which I made a video on already. As I just mentioned, I will provide you the link for that video so that you'll get the installation tutorial. That's about the installation tutorial, and this is about that how you can get these things. Also, if you need Nethunter terminal, which is quite useful, as you can see, Kali Linux, and yes, why it is needed and how to use these things, why to use these things, everything is available on google.com. make sure to find out that what are the uses of Kali Linux, and if it is installed on your device, go and explore a lot of things. You can install Kali Linux by many ways, by the way, but yes, from this kind of things, Nethunter, you can install that with the help of a Magisk module. This is quite useful, this is quite interesting, that you simply need to install a Magisk module and you are good to go. With the help of a Magisk module, you'll be able to customize your device, you'll be able to do a lot of things. Nethunter OS is also one of them. As you can see, the terminal is working perfectly fine. And let me tell you one more thing, that yes, I'm using the Magisk latest version 24.3. you can use any other version also, but as always, I will still recommend you to use this version or maybe the updated version. While making this video, you can check out, while installing, you can check out which is the latest version for your device, or from that time you can install the latest version. And in my case, 24.3 is the latest one, so yes, install this version definitely. After the installation of this module, after installation of the Magisk version on your device, you can simply move on to the module section, install this file, and you are good to go. Link is available already in the description. So these were things I just want to let you know. If you want to install these things and etc., as I just mentioned, links available there. And yes, don't forget to like and share this video, and also if you're new here, don't forget to subscribe me. I'll see you in the next video. Until then, goodbye.
Over the edge, feel like I'm floating through